Hi, Carol Reve here. I just wanted to go over questions that I hear and see are asked quite a bit. So, first of all, if you struggle to build a team, if you struggle to get traffic or to get income, take a look at this funnel. Is literally sets things on autopilot for you. Now, it does take some effort to get it set up. I'm here on the phone. I will talk with you. Okay. I will talk with you and I will help walk you through it if that's what it takes. Now, this is not free. There is, if you want 4 income streams, you need to either be in 2 already, and then you need to upgrade and sign up for the 4th one, which is a traffic resource to begin with. Okay, but here's if you click the link below, this is going to be what comes up. And let's see. And this will be what comes up, and then kind of testimonial after you watch the video. I like this because you see, this is all. There's no buttons, there's nothing. You watch the video, you see if this resonates with you. Again, there's 4 income streams in this. You can put 2 of your own in this. So it's 2 income streams that are in there, and then you add 2. Okay, to bring the 4 up for solid. Now, for those of us that are already in it, or if you're looking at it and thinking about setting it up, like I said, it's simple if you're going slow when you do step 1, step 3. But if you're a little bit like I am, and sometimes you can be impatient, like I can be, if now maybe you're not, maybe you take things nice and easy because you're intelligent and smart, and you go, okay, this is where here. If you go through here and you're looking at these things, just go back and click start here. This is a new contest that they're having. Okay. Step 1 is right here, is what I'm on. Okay, and then you just go through step 2, sets up your income streams. You get another about it and why it's so important to have multiple income streams. And I know that is a big debate because sometimes people don't like having, because it is hard because you're spreading out your advertising to so many different things that you can't grow everything. Well, this is the answer to multiple income streams. You never know what's going to happen to a company. There's been companies that have been around for quite a while that have done well, and they did something, or they sold the company that they had, or they tweaked the compensation plan, and it just was gone overnight. So now this is the one thing that I want to talk about. Now, of course, you got the 2 income streams right here that you can have for your choice, and then this is the 4th income stream. Now, I want you to know this income stream, these 2 income streams right here, excuse me, are from my lovely Tracy Walker, my sponsor. That these are her income streams. Okay. Now, we get this question a lot. I've hear this question a lot in chats and given to me and different things. Is people, you log in after you set your, you get your income stream set up, and you come back and it's still, it's still your sponsor's income streams. You don't think you've had it set up right. Every time you log into your MIF, we call it multiple income funnel, or MIF for short, you're going to see your sponsor's income streams. Okay. You're going to see your sponsor's income streams. This is going to be your sponsor's links. These are not your links. When your team members, when you have a prospect and they sign up and they join your income streams, every time they log into their back office account, they're going to see these are all going to be your links. Okay, and your 2 income streams. That's why I say if you have more than 2 programs, You can do a push for a month or two on something new that you're just joining, that you've just joined or done. And then you can change it up to something else that maybe you've been in that is really good and you really like. Okay? Or you can just leave it these, your two, and if you only have one income stream, you can take one of the income streams out. Okay? How you add them, and you need to do all four of these, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. Click there to get the traffic. This is a commission crazy frenzy funnel, I might want to say, the way everything is set up. Okay. And see, there's my lovely sponsor looking back at me, and you will have that. If you join me or whoever you join, whenever you log in, if you come back here, you're going to have your sponsor's face looking at you. But these are the income streams that I've added. Okay. You can come down here. Now, if you come down here, okay, and once you add your income streams, click Update My Income Streams, and that'll update them. If you want to take a look at it, here's a button on how to do it, and here's a button right here on View My Income Streams. That's the way it will look when you logs in. You can see right here, Savings Highway Global, Nexus Rewards. Those are my income streams. Okay, and then now if you click on the traffic authority or to set up the funnel, those links won't work because this is just a demo. The only thing they want you to see is they want you to see and make sure that it's actually going towards yours. See, and this is Savings Highway. Up, I was going to say, this is coming up pretty slow, but that's because I have the screencast on, is why. You see that, and then you can click the sign up button at first before I clicked off. That's okay. And go to my rewards and short YouTube video on, and then you can click sign up now, and then okay. So that is, and then just check below, make sure it's yours. Okay. And so these, the only time that you'll be able to is by going back here and clicking on the, okay. And so it's my name right there, Carol Reve in the beginning. Well, now this is going to be kind of just the demo. So this is where we are. So you close out there, okay, because the other ones aren't going to work. That's just to test your commissions, your income streams. Now, so I just joined. I really like it. I like the way they have it set up. I like the traffic. I like that you have 2 income streams of your own, whatever you want to add in here. That is the main reason why I got in here. One, that there's 2 income streams, and the other 2 income streams that you got, so you got a total of 4. And one is for the funnel, which is really funnel. It's got lots of training, resources, all kinds of things in here. The training tab is really good. And then the 4th one is traffic. Okay, so it almost forces everybody to go in, buy traffic, to run back to their funnel, because when prospects come in and join you, they're going to be doing step 4, and you don't want to miss those commissions. Okay, so that's what I wanted to just go over. When you log into your back office, you're going to see your sponsors link. Step 1, and then step 2, set up the income streams. Step 3, set up wallet. The e-wallet is very fast and easy to validate. I just took a picture of your license and then you upload it from there. It's very easy. And then the back office tour, they go around. So this is, you just go nice and easy. But if you run into a problem and you struggle, and you join me, okay? Or somebody on my team, you could give me a call and I will try my best to help and walk you through it. Or you can text me. We can message on Facebook. We can voice chat on Facebook too. Okay, so I just wanted to do that video to go over that because there's a lot of questions on that. Okay, knowledge is power. And yeah, now you're hopefully, I hope this helped a little bit. If this did, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It really helps my channel out. Thank you and God bless. Have a great day.